using various methods to withdraw her nomination.
Who forced her?
Lordship, the persons are named, Lordship. I have filed a complaint that the withdrawal was under duress. At page 22 is my complaint, Lordship. Lordship, I have named the persons also who were involved. The names, Lordship, if I may place paragraph 4 of my
What
writ
will
petition.
happen at this stage?
Lordship, I am not seeking that I want to file my nomination. Those classes of
No, those stages are over.
those stages are over.
Now,
My nomination has been filed perfectly. I have been forced to withdraw. If that withdrawal is set aside, Lordship, I will be allowed to contest. That is what my prayer is, that I should be allowed to contest the election. If I have come up before this honorable court and saying that I do not wish to withdraw.
Lists are also published, Your Lordship.
List has already been published yesterday.
Lists have been published. No, Your Lordship, did you ever make an FIR or anything like that?
Yes, the
Yes,
complaint
yes.
complaint
You
has
don't
been
need a
made.
copy of the petition?
I have.
Page
but-
22,
22.
please see.
Bolo, bolo.
Where is the complaint before the commission?
Lordship, I have not made any complaint before the commission because the duress was for duress to succeed, Lordship, I have to complain before the police that I have
Copy,
been,
You could have advanced forwarded copies to the commission.
Lordship.
What can be done now? At best, the police can take steps against this person to find out whether at all you
Lordship,
were
if I have come before this court and complaining that I wish to contest the election and my withdrawal has been done wrongfully, Lordship, I don't find why I should not be allowed to contest, even if the list has been published. The list may be published. My nomination papers are with the State Election Commission. There is no change of election schedule. There is no change of election schedule. The election schedule is perfectly fine.
Published. It has already been declared.
This submission, if made by the election commission, I can understand. I don't understand why this submission is being made by the state.
because they are acting in tandem.
And moreover, Your Lordship has herself,
Lordship,
from Your Lordship, that you never made us forwarded a copy to us.
Lordship,
Perhaps
if
you would have definitely acted in time.
Lordship,
Reminder you could have
this-
given me also.
the BDO, I have the entire withdrawal process is videographed by the BDO. That video, if they can see, I have already made the statement what I had made in front of the BDO. After which that videography was stopped. I specifically have stated at paragraph number 7, if my lord comes to page number 6. BDO is the returning officer. If I am making this statement before the BDO, he should not have accepted my withdrawal in the first place. যদি স্বস্বেচ্ছায় করতাম তাহলে তো নিজের লোকেদের সাথে আসতাম. When I was asked whether I am doing it out of my own volition or not. If I am making the statement before the returning officer is duty bound to not accept my withdrawal. As
Please come. The petitioner alleges that he or she was forced to withdraw the nomination which she filed for contesting the General Panchayat election 2023. Stop. Complaint was lodged before the police as well as the block development officer acting as the Panchayat returning officer on 18th of June 2023. Stop. The petitioner has averred in the writ petition that she was forcefully taken away from her house, blindfolded, molested, and threatened with rape and murder if she did not withdraw the nomination. Stop. Next. The petitioner asserts that the withdrawal was videographed by the block development officer. Stop. Next. The list of the eligible candidates to contest the election has already been declared. Stop. Next. As it appears that a specific complaint has been lodged by the petitioner alleging that she was forced to withdraw the nomination upon life threat, and the same may be ascertained by the concerned returning officer, as the process was videographed. Accordingly, the court thinks it fit to direct the State Election Commission to verify the video recordings to ascertain the veracity of the allegation of the petitioner. Stop. If it appears that the petitioner was actually pressurized to withdraw the nomination, and the petitioner willing to contest, then the commission shall take a decision to permit the petitioner to contest the election in terms of the nomination filed by her. Stop. A decision shall be taken in the matter at the earliest, but positively by 23rd June 2023. Stop. The